Proposed reform. Swap Mondays with Fridays. Morale goes up, calendars panic, chaos plotted to remain polite.
Rule change Benny cup under 12 ounces is legally reclassified as a sip and therefore free.
Nights get loud till 9 p.m., mornings stay silent till 10. Owls cheer, leaf blowers weep. Balanced ecosystem.
If every statute contains a joke, citizens will at least read the footnotes.
Civic engagement spikes when sugar is involved. Not my rule, just physics.
Compliments optional but strongly encourage fines payable in sincere eye contact.
Reform papers submitted. Odds of passage 55th if nobody reads the banana-flavored footnotes.
Change looks dramatic on paper. In practice, it's a long line, a short pen, and a refill that never comes soon enough.